look at them. They're all the way up to Central Park, all the way down to 42nd Street. This is a massive New Year's Eve crowd with 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Listen to the music build. They're ready. They're in their sombreros. That's our street cam. We've got 25 cameras here tonight covering this event. This is a really big one. You are wise to stay at home. In 1 minute, the ball will drop and you will see pandemonium. Listen to them. The ball is beginning to move. They can feel it. They know it. In 47 seconds, it will be 2,000. You're in Times Square with a couple of million intimate friends. 35 seconds. They're ready in 30. Get close to somebody you love. In 25 seconds, it'll be the new year. In 20 seconds. And we're going to count it down from here down when we get to 10. Are you ready? Happy New Year early. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2000!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. At approximately 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a widespread and catastrophic failure occurred across computerized systems worldwide. Initial reports confirmed that long-standing concerns regarding the year 2000 computer bug were accurate and far more severe than anticipated. During live New Year's broadcasts, television stations across the nation experienced simultaneous signal corruption and loss of control. Within minutes, global communication systems began to fail, affecting satellites, radio relays, telephone networks, and military infrastructure on every continent. Civil aviation authorities report the loss of aircraft crewed like beacon navigation and control system failures. Rail systems, maritime navigation, and traffic control networks are also confirmed offline. Multiple nuclear power facilities within the United States and abroad have entered uncontrolled emergency states following automated safety system failures. Several reactors are no longer responding to manual override. Explosions and large-scale evacuations have been reported near affected sites. Radioactive releases possible in surrounding regions. Foreign defense agencies have confirmed automated missile launches triggered by corrupt early warning and command systems. The full extent of these launches remains unknown. Hospitals and medical facilities worldwide have suffered total system failure. Life-sustaining equipment, monitoring devices, and medication systems have shut down. Medical staff are unable to restore functionality. Casualties are being reported globally. Government networks at every level have been compromised by cascading system errors and digital corruption. Emergency coordination systems, including the Emergency Alert System and 9-1-1 services, are no longer functioning reliably. NASA confirms loss of command and telemetry with the International Space Station shortly before its uncontrolled descent into the ocean. All contact was lost prior to impact. Law enforcement agencies report widespread civil unrest, including looting, fires, and mass panic in major cities. Curfews cannot be enforced. Arrest capacity has been exceeded in multiple regions. Residents are advised to seek immediate shelter. Remain indoors if possible. Avoid windows and exterior exposure. If you are near an industrial, military, or energy facility, move as far away as possible. Due to the failure of broadcast infrastructure, this station may go silent without warning. Normal programming will not resume. If transmission continues, our emergency updates will be attempted as systems allow. Stay tuned to this station for further information.
The first in North America. And you know what? The rest of Canada, I gotta tell you right now, this is just beginning. This is our party. We're down to 1 minute. We're down to 1 minute, everybody. 1 minute till the new year.
Ladies and gentlemen, Newfoundland and Labrador welcomes the new millennium to North America in 60 seconds. 60 seconds to the new year 2000. 60!
Attention please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Government of Canada and Public Safety Canada. This is not a test. At approximately 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a catastrophic and unprecedented failure occurred across computerized systems worldwide. Federal authorities confirmed that the long-discussed year 2000 computer bug has resulted in a total collapse of digital infrastructure on a global scale. Television and radio broadcasts across Canada experienced severe signal corruption during New Year's programming. Moments later, national and international communications networks failed, including satellites, telephone systems, internet backbones, and government command channels. Transport Canada confirms widespread aviation disasters, with aircraft losing navigation and control shortly after midnight. Rail systems, marine navigation, traffic signaling, and border control systems are no longer operational. Several nuclear power facilities and energy grids in North America have entered emergency shutdown or uncontrolled states due to system failures. Authorities warn of potential radiation exposure in surrounding regions. Power outages are spreading rapidly across provinces. Military officials confirm that foreign automated weapon systems have activated without human authorization. Canadian defense networks are unable to verify the full scope of these events due to corrupted data and loss of secure communications. Hospitals and medical facilities across Canada report complete failure of computerized life support systems, monitoring equipment, and medical records. Emergency generators are operating without digital controls. Medical personnel are overwhelmed and unable to restore affected systems. Federal and provincial government technology has been compromised. Emergency coordination systems, including the National Emergency Public Warning System, emergency phone services, and dispatch centers, are experiencing severe disruptions or total outages. The Canadian Space Agency confirms loss of all telemetry with multiple orbital assets. International authorities report the International Space Station has re-entered Earth's atmosphere following command system failure. Survivability is unknown. Law enforcement agencies report widespread civil disorder in major cities, including looting, fires, and mass panic. Police and emergency services are operating without centralized coordination. Residents are advised to seek shelter immediately. Remain indoors if possible. Stay away from windows and exterior walls. Avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. If you are near industrial, military, or energy facilities, move away as conditions allow. Due to ongoing infrastructure failures, this station may lose transmission at any moment. Normal programming will not resume. If systems permit, emergency updates will be broadcast periodically. Stay tuned to the station for further information. This message will repeat if transmission remains possible.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
Leading to an extraordinary moment. We're watching as the last year of the last century of the old millennium slouches off stage to make way for the youthful entry of the new.
This is BBC One. We interrupt normal programming for this following message, which is being transmitted at the request of Her Majesty's Government and the Cabinet Office Civil Contingency Secretariat. This is not a test. At approximately 12 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, a catastrophic and unprecedented failure occurred across computerized systems worldwide. Authorities confirm that the long-anticipated year 2000 computer error has resulted in a widespread collapse of digital infrastructure on a global scale. Television and radio broadcasts across the United Kingdom experienced severe signal corruption during New Year programming. Within minutes, national and international communications networks failed, including telephone exchanges, satellite links, internet routing systems, and government command channels. The Civil Aviation Authority reports multiple aircraft incidents due to navigation and control system failures. Airports across the country are no longer operational. Rail signaling, maritime navigation, traffic management systems, and border controls have ceased functioning. Several energy facilities and power stations across the UK and Europe have entered emergency state following automated system failure. The national grid is experiencing uncontrolled outages. Authorities warn of possible secondary hazards near industrial and energy sites. The Ministry of Defense confirms that foreign automated weapon systems have activated without direct human authorization. UK defense networks are unable to fully assess the situation due to corrupted data and loss of secure communication. Hospitals and medical facilities throughout the United Kingdom report total failure of computer-controlled equipment, including monitoring systems and life-sustaining machinery. Emergency services are operating manually where possible, but capacity is rapidly being exceeded. Government systems at all levels have been compromised. Emergency coordination networks, including 999 services and public warning infrastructure, are experiencing severe disruption or complete failure in many regions. International authorities report the loss of control of multiple orbital assets, including the International Space Station, following widespread system malfunction. Confirmation remains unavailable. Police forces across the UK report widespread civil disorder, including looting, fires, and public panic in major urban areas. Emergency response is severely limited. Residents are advised to seek immediate shelter. Remain indoors wherever possible. Avoid unnecessary travel. Stay away from windows and exterior areas. If you are near industrial, military, or energy facilities, move away if it is safe to do so. Due to continuing infrastructure failure, this broadcast may terminate without warning. Normal programming will not resume. If transmission remains possible, emergency updates will be issued periodically. Stay tuned to BBC One for further information. This message will repeat if systems allow.
Message being sent by the government. The United States government has managed to delete the year 2000 computer bug, shortened as the Y2K bug. Due to this, communication is restored, flights has resumed, fallout from the missile and plants are cleared. The missiles did no damage as they landed in every ocean across the globe. The International Space Station has been recovered and is now back in orbit. Hospital machines and life support has been restored, and everything is back to normal. All the rioters has been arrested. Due to this, people are now allowed to exist shelters. We thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume.